Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we are having a cocktail.
Yeah,
Which
we're gonna do a skill drill too.
Yeah, we are. Hold on.
Olé, Cinco de Mayo.
Yes.
Let's. Okay, so
What are we making?
guacamole.
Guacamole, and I'm Natalia.
And I'm Candace.
And let's do the skill
We're
drill.
gonna show you how to make guacamole.
Real guacamole.
The real deal. Okay, so avocados.
Very important. For
Very
guacamole.
important. And you need to make sure that they're not rocks, because that ain't gonna work, my friend. They need to give just slightly. And I know that this is hard to demonstrate, and I'm not sure that's even possible to demonstrate. But you need to just be able to kind of push your thumb in and it just gives.
Gives you back.
Gives it back to you.
Gives your thumb back.
Yeah. The other thing that you can do is pull. If the stem pulls out easily, people say that that's a sign. I'm not sure that it is.
We're gonna find out though.
Yeah. So you're going to just cut it down the center and just follow it all
Slowly,
the way
gently,
around.
if you've never done
You want
this
a very
before.
sharp knife. Okay, then twist.
Ooh,
Looky
that
there.
looks pretty.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to leave this one to the side for the moment. This one, you're going to make a checkerboard pattern. Oops.
Ooh, not that piece.
Not that piece. We'll come back to you. A checkerboard pattern with your knife in your avocado. And you want to make sure that you get, and I know this is going to sound crazy, but Mexican avocados, Hass avocados, because the Florida avocados just don't work.
Do they not taste the same?
They don't.
Oh,
I
didn't know that.
don't. Yeah, they don't work. I don't know about that. So, there's that one. Now, for safety, either
Safety first.
a folded paper towel or a side towel or a kitchen towel. You're going to hold it. You're going to take your knife, sharp knife, boom, okay, like that.
Boom, like that.
Boom, just like that. And then you're going to twist it, and out it comes. Now, the other part of this is you're going to then take your paper towel or your kitchen towel, and you're going to pull the seed off of your knife. Because if you try to do that with your hand,
It's slippery, and you'll
it's slippery
kill
and
yourself.
you will hurt yourself.
Like that.
Okay, so we're doing the same thing with this guy. Checkerboard. And then when it comes out easily, just like it did before, you know you've got a nice ripe avocado. I'm gonna get it all. Okay. Now we have another one to do. Okay, now I don't like super smooth guacamole.
You like it chunky.
I like it chunky. So we're just gonna mash it
With a fork.
with a fork. So it's good to have either a big bowl that has a flat surface on it, or you can just do it on like a dinner plate.
So when you say that you don't like it super smooth, do some people like whirl it in the food processor or what?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, but no. I just don't, you kind of lose the whole avocado experience then. Then it's kind of like just a puree. It's not guacamole
It's baby
at that
food.
point. It's baby food.
Mm-hmm.
If you like that, okay.
If you like baby food.
Yeah. Yay. Okay, so at this point, and see, that didn't take that long.
And it was easy and you didn't dirty something else.
And it's also because they're nice and ripe. They're not rock hard, which would make this almost impossible. All right, now at this point, we want to, I like to, let's put it that way. I like to put a little lime in it.
I like to as well.
Because,
Just in case anybody was wondering.
yeah, if you'd like to know what Natalia would do.
I'll just have my drink.
We're going to put some lime in it right now because avocado browns when it is exposed to oxygen. So we're going to put a little citrus on it. You can do lemon, but it's wrong.
So don't.
Okay, just one wedge at this point. And then you want to add a little salt to that action?
I would love to.
Okay.
Yee. More?
Yeah, let's do a little bit more. Okay. All right, now we have tomato,
Yes.
we have garlic, we have red onion, and we have jalapeno. All those things are going to go in here.
Is this my job?
Yes.
All
Ta-da!
of it?
Yes.
Wee.
Yep. And again. And one more time.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Ooh, it's a lot. It'll make it delicious.
It's pretty.
Well, guacamole is more than just an avocado.
Yes, it is. Did someone say it wasn't?
Well, I've seen people just throw an avocado and mash it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how fast was that?
That was super fast. Does it get any penis pepper?
Let's taste it. What do you think?
Oh, you have to use the butt.
Yeah, use the butt.
I'll use the
You
butt.
do it.
Mm.
Yes. It usually does need pepper.
Yes.
Okay.
We're
All
gonna-
right. So we'll finish it with. I think we're.
Did you earlier say you sometimes you put crema in this?
Sometimes.
Okay.
But I think it. Well, okay. I'm going to start over again. I use crema when my avocados are not. It's really avocado season right now, so sometimes it needs a little creaminess. This does not need that.
No, that's perfect.
So let's throw some cilantro in there. We'll just stir it a little bit.
More?
Yeah, let's do it all.
Oh,
Yeah, why not?
oh, you know what?
What?
Here's some tortilla chips I made earlier.
Oh my gosh. And that's exactly what you would want to have with a fresh guacamole. Fresh tortilla chips.
Yum.
Yum.